Napunta na kami ng ano, Global Village. Mamasyal na kami ng Global Village. Tigtambay pa naman ni Lola dyan sa labas ng oras.
You know, in my country, my neighbors,
Yeah.
there is too much Christians.
Christian,
They're
yeah.
all big houses there.
Mashallah.
They're all put the balcony has this stars.
Star.
Ah, the
Stars,
lantern.
light star.
Lantern, ayan.
Yeah,
Christmas
then,
decor, dipot.
and then also my son will put a balcony all. He telling me after video. He said to me,
Jipot also.
yeah,
Oh,
of course he will
mashallah.
put here. Here friends all Christians, na?
Hi.
That's why he also visit here. So he making
He making
house,
also?
Yeah.
All Christian making decorating the house.
In my
The
neighbors,
lantern, yeah. The lantern and then the Christmas light put in the balcony. Very nice na every night.
Put to my balcony. Very nice.
Ang ganda ng view to. Lapit hapon na.
May ibang kulay ng block nila.
Yung violet. Ang ganda.
Ito yung ano to yung pansit. Yan ang ayan natin.
Yung?
Sobrang dami natin dala. Ano?
Hindi ko lang ito lagay.
Ito na lang yung naadad natin. I-transfer.
Oh. Yan din maggagala na babaon. Ang ganda ng araw, nakapatong sa ulap.
Tawa talaga.
Wow! Very nice. In the Riyadh, this name is Global City.
Global city.
Yeah, in the Riyadh.
Real name Global city.
In Riyadh, like this, Global City.
Yeah.
Here, Global Village.
Yeah.
Before I am in the Riyadh, I will go also in the Global City there.
Pareho din ganito tayo.
Oh, ganito din. Pasyala na naman. May nagtitinda din, may mga iba-ibang mga ano,
Pag
picture.
getting tired ourselves tonight.
Hindi ko nakuha yung entrance ng ano, Global Village.
Hindi naman may mga dala-dala pa sila. Oh.
Siyempre yung ayaw magbili sa loob, siyempre magbaon. Diba? Yung baon namin guys. Yung baon kami guys sa loob, di kami magugutom. Kasi wala kaming pera. Wala kaming pambili, kaya kailangan naming magbaon. Dito tayo nag-eat.
You go this way, then I think ticket you will get there. Huh?
Yeah.
See there?
We go now?
Wait.
Okay. Just tell us.
Okay. You
You
can go.
can go.
This way?
Okay.
This
Yeah.
way?
I will wait here somewhere. When
Okay.
you enter, then you call me. Otherwise, you
Okay.
don't want to waste your food.
Oh. Saan ka?
Sit banta dito.
Ha? Te. Ticket. Ticket machine there.
Title. Ticket machine. Huwag ka ng ticket na kanya. No cash man. Doon sa ano? Doon sa bukas. Ayun oh. Magkano? 300 man.
Wala po.
Weekday ticket, 25. Ah, 30. Kuha kaming ticket, guys. Ayan. Global Village. Wait lang. Kaya na, video natin. May ticket na.
Magkano 30? 450?
Oo.
Pinas?
450. 450 ang bayad kung sa Pilipinas. So, pupunta na kami ng entrance, guys. I-enter na kami. Hindi, baka iiwan to? Ha? Kurog juga ni Ukma. Ah, dito tayo, oy. Balalaki dyan. Thank you. Ha? Machine na dito na eh. Baka iwan na to. Ha? Pwede? Ha? May ano din pala dito. Ha? Not allowed?